Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine a structure built only out of iron pieces. A structure people once called ugly and useless. But today, the same structure has become one of the most famous landmarks in the entire world. Yes, I'm talking about the Eiffel Tower. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 amazing and surprising facts about the Eiffel Tower that you probably did not know. Fact number 1. Purpose of construction. The Eiffel Tower was built in 1889 for the World's Fair, held to celebrate 100 years of the French Revolution. And believe it or not, it was only supposed to be temporary display. No one imagined it would become the permanent heart of Paris. Fact number 2. The designer. The tower is named after Gustave Eiffel, the engineer behind the project. But here is the twist. He did not design it at all by himself. His engineers Maurice Kekla and Emile Nouguet came up with the original structure idea. Gustave Eiffel simply took the credit. Fact number 3. People hated it. When the tower was under construction, many artists and writers in Paris hated it. They called it an iron monster and said it would ruin the beauty of the city. But today that monster is the pride of France. Fact number 4. It was almost demolished. The Eiffel Tower was originally meant to stand for just 20 years. In 1909, when its time was up, the city planned to tear it down. But it was saved because it was being used as a radio transmission tower. So technically, radio saved the Eiffel Tower. Fact number 5. Tallest in the world. When it was built, the Eiffel Tower was the tallest structure in the world, standing over 300 meters high. It held that record until 1930, when the Chrysler Building in New York took the crown. Fact number 6. Changing colors. The Eiffel Tower hasn't always been the brownish color you see today. It has actually been painted several times in different shades, from red, brown to yellow. Every 7 years it's repainted, and it takes more than 60 tons of paint to cover it. Fact number 7. Magical lights. Every evening the tower lights up with 20,000 sparkling bulbs, and every hour for 5 minutes the entire tower twinkles like diamonds. It's one of the most magical sights in the world and a must-see for visitors. Fact number 8. Visitors from around the world. Every single day, around 25,000 people visit the Eiffel Tower. That is nearly 7 million visitors every year, making it the most visited paid monument in the world. Fact number 9. The 3 floors. The tower has 3 levels for visitors. The first 2 floors have restaurants and shops, while the 3rd floor offers a breathtaking view of Paris. People who go up there often say the city looks like a dream from above. Fact number 10. It grows and shrinks. Yes, the Eiffel Tower changes its height in summer. When the iron expands, it can grow up to 15 centimeters taller, and in winter it shrinks back down. So in a way, the tower is alive and always changing. So those were 10 fascinating facts about the Eiffel Tower. Isn't it crazy how a structure that was once hated was now become the symbol of love and beauty? Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more amazing stories from around the world. Thanks for watching.